Hi everyone, I am Navin, class 4, 139, Purbo Shutolori, Goft Primary School. Today I will teach all of you the class 4 English book. Unit Num 3, Lesson Num 6 about family. Write a paragraph about your family in your exercise book. Use the information in activity B. In previous tutorial we learned about Farjana and Jamil's family. Now I say a paragraph about my family. I have a happy family. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is MD Burhane Sultan. He is 42 years old. He is a school teacher. He teaches in Madrasa at Moralganj of Bagherhat. My father is very good to me. My mother also a ideal mother. Her name is Laila Anjuman Lucy, but teacher too. She teaches at 139 Purbo Shutolori Primary School in Moralganj also. My mother cooks delicious food some time for us. Sneha is my younger sister. 2 years old is her. She is very friendly to me. She is my cute sister. And me, my name is Ranum Sultan. All of my family called me Nasim. I'm 4 standard. I go to my mother's school with her. I like my family too. To write a paragraph about family, your family, you must remember these 4 things. You have to use these 4 names of your family members. Age of them, job of all members, workplace of all members, and your love your family. You use these points to making paragraph. Without these 4 things, the paragraph wasn't be perfect. Now you write a paragraph about your family. Must remember these 4 things, okay? Name of your family member, age of all members, job of all members, and workplace of all members, and you love your family. Write a paragraph on your notebook and upload my comments box. By doing this way, I will see that how better I teach all of you. Thank you all.